So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our Euro JPY. Now, this was the analysis we did last week, right? I told you guys clearly that Euro JPY will reject and push up to this top our resistance level. If you want to confirm or if you've not watched it, you can go back to the channel. I'll go back to the analysis we did for the week last week, right? And watch it. You will be able to confirm that our prediction was absolutely right. If you have been following this channel consistently, you should be able to testify that we actually predicted like markets will reject from this support level, right? It will push up, which markets did, right? Then we also said for the week, since market has given us a pullback for the week, we will expect market to actually push up. So it is able to come to tap our resistance level here. And this is exactly what market did. Market gave us that bullish move and tapped our resistance level. So this is one of the reasons why if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that yet, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now back to our analysis for the week. Let's zoom it out, right, and see what Euro JPY is giving us. First thing first, we need to know the trend, and as you can see on our Euro JPY, we are in an uptrend move. So this is the impulsive move that market did give us, right? The year caused the pullback phase. Market then was able to push up again to form another impulsive move. Then here's the pullback phase, right? Market then push up again to form another impulsive move. Then here is the pullback phase, right here. The market was able to push up again to form another impulsive move. Then here comes the pullback phase, right? Now market was able to push up again to form another impulsive move. Then this is the pullback phase. Now this is also another impulsive move, which is a new higher high, right? Market has now taken out this high, giving us a new higher high. So our next movement on Euro JPY will be an higher low, which is a pullback. So we should be expecting some sort of a bearish move this week on our Euro JPY. So Euro JPY should be giving us some sort of a bearish move. If it gives us the bearish move first and it wants to now start giving us the bullish move, I'll make sure I give you guys the updates. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, what you just need to do is very simple. Click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now let's go down to the daily time frame right here. So this is the movement right here. So let's take a look at what the daily time frame current trend is. You can clearly see here the current trend on the daily time Euro JPY daily time frame is a ranging market move. So market was able to rally up to tap this resistance. Then we had this drop that eventually came to tap our support level. Market was then able to rally up to tap our resistance, and then this drop happened to drop to tap our support level, right? The market eventually rallied up to tap our resistance level, then followed by this drop that came to tap our support level. The market was now able to rally up to tap our resistance level. So this week we will be expecting market to reject and give us that drop. So this is one of the reasons why we said on the weekly time frame we will be expecting some sort of a pullback which will be bearish. So on this daily time frame, that bearish move will look like a drop to tap our support level. So if you are a day trader, right, within this level, right, you're looking for your sell setup, probably on your forward time frame, as you can see. So maybe if markets can come to reject this level, we can now start looking for a sell setup within a level of 185, 185 to a level of 186. Look for your sell setup, and once you get to the sell setup, go ahead and take in this sell because your JPY should drop to our support level. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So like and subscribe.